Debut for HCL Electric, Anisha?
Well, yes. So this was a 360 crore IPO. The issue price was around 202. The stock settled around 190, 192 in the morning, which was 6% lower than its issue price. Now, though the company is a market leader when it comes to the metering business, they have around 20% market share. There have been concerns about the profitability of the company as well as the debt factor. Now, the proceeds of this issue are going to be used to pay down the debt. In fact, the management told us that post the repayment, they expect debt to be around 200 crore level. But even the profitability of the company has been declining. If you look at the CAGR at which the company has grown over FY11 to FY15, the revenue has grown by around 17%, but the profitability has actually declined by around 2%. And on the other hand, we saw the debt rising by around 300 crores. Other concerns include the likes of the working capital, which is very long for the company of around 150 days versus peers, which is 120 days and less. Even the return ratios, if you look at it, the company has return ratios for around 10 to 13%. Versus peers like Havells, which have return ratios of over 25%. And that is why the company is trading at a valuation of around 24 times its FY16 earnings right now, versus the peers like Havells, which trade over 35 times. And that is why we are seeing the discount that is coming into play. The management, however, sounded hopeful that the smart metering option and the affordable housing is going to improve the profitability and the growth drivers for the company. Let's in fact listen into the management.
With our sector already having a good amount of growth coming forward, there are a lot of key drivers which are based on the smart metering coming in a bigger manner, the housing, the affordable housing coming. So there are a lot of key drivers which are coming in for a company like us to exploit. The metering has been growing at 10 to 11%. That is the overall industry. But in terms of when the smart metering is coming, this industry is, we look at it to explode in a much bigger manner. And already the government is taking steps on the evaluation on how to purchase the smart meters. And so this would take the industry in a much bigger manner.
Okay, Ekta, and